So, saan ka galing?
Speeders.
Anong ginawa mo?
Okay.
Wow. Dinanalo ka naman. Ano na panalunan mo?
This and I have a plushie and a sticker.
Oh, very good ang so, gutom na ikaw? Kakain ka? Saan ka kakain?
Pasta and pizza.
Sino kasama mo?
My mom and my dad.
Yung mga gantong pinapasadya lang.
Ano sasabihin mo, Bunso?
I'm here eating pasta and
Louder.
I'm here to eat pasta and pizza. Look at this.
Bakit? Anong meron dyan? Masarap yung drinks mo? Busog na ikaw, hindi ka nakakain?
I'm still hungry.
Ha?
I'm still hungry.
Hungry ka lagi? Kaya pala mataba ka eh.
I'm not chubby.
Lagi kayong kumakain ni Kuya, di ba?
No, not always.
Kagabi nanood sila Kuya ng sine, hindi ka sumama.
They didn't let me.
Grabe ito, lumilipad.
Ngayon, nagpaalam ka kay Kuya, alis ka. No? Why?
Because he also didn't tell me where he's going.
Hindi mo naman kailangan sabihin na, ay hindi naman kailangan ni Kuya malaman. O dapat ikaw nagsabi. Papaalam ka kay Kuya. Ano? Masisira yan.
I need the hard. Okay, now bye guys. This is the end for the video. I'll see you in part 2 when we're gonna eat our food. Bye.